Hello and welcome to this session. So this is my submission for CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So I will just show you the output. I'm sharing my screen. So let me first open the index.html file, which I have created. So when I open this index.html file, let me show you what I get. So I get this screen, right? I get this screen where I have the Google search bar. I have the Google Images link. I have the Google Advanced Search link. So on this website now, which I have created, so I have a Google search bar here. I have a Google search button here. I have a I am feeling lucky button here, and I have Google Images and Google Advanced Search. Now, the first specification was it should have at least 3 pages, one for Google search. So this is for Google search. Second is for Google Images. So Google Images, there's another page here. You can see my uh, location here. And I have a third page called Google Advanced Search, right? So these are the 3 pages that I have. And I should be able to search anything here. Let me see, let me check for blockchain. If I search blockchain, I get this page, I get to the Google search option, blockchain definition, what you need to know and all that. So I can do that, right? So this was the first specification. I can search using this. And the other 2 pages should be on the top right. So that's where they occur: Google Images, Google Image Search, and Google Advanced Search. Now, in this, I've shown you how I can search for any other option as well. The second specification, the query text. So I can search for Harvard Business School, for example, and I say Google search, I go to Harvard Business School. So this is the second specification. Now the Google's own search bar should be rounded at the corners. So it is rounded at the corners. The search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. So this is what the situation is. Now, images. The third specification was query images. On the Google image search, I should be able to type in a query, for example, cats. So if I have to query cats, I can type that. I'm able to get the images of cats. So this is a search result for the images page, right? So this is the next specification. Then query advanced, I can go to the Google Advanced Search, and there I should have find pages with all these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, none of these words. So this is also present there. I can search any of these, right? Then appearances, like Google's own advanced search page, the 4 options should be stacked vertically. They are stacked vertically here. And all the text fields should be left aligned. Text fields are left aligned. The advanced search button should be blue with white text. That's how it is. Google Advanced Search, blue background and white text. And then I am feeling lucky button to the main Google search page. So if I go back to Google search and I type here, let's say blockchain again, and I type in I'm feeling lucky. So it takes us to the first page here. Okay. So this is the next specification. And then if I go back, the sixth and the final specification was the CSS you write should match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. So it is similar to that, not exactly the same, but it is similar to that. So I think I have done justice to this project. Thank you. So that's all.